In Brussels, EU officials say Greece must stick to the path of spending cuts to restore its battered public finances. That was the message from the head of the Eurogroup, Jeroen Dijsselbloem. But some members of the centre-left Syriza remain optimistic that they can honour their election pledges. We're not only optimistic, we're determined to put an end to austerity, notably to the unilateral austerity against the poor and the middle class. But for centre-right parliamentarians, Athens must pay for its policies by itself and not expect handouts.
If they want to pursue a social policy in favor of all the disfavored people, it is possible, but they have to finance these new policies by a contribution of the Greek taxpayers, not by an increase in our contribution.
Please, may I ask the press?
Germany has stuck to a hawkish line on Greece. Burkhard Balz represents Angela Merkel's Christian Democrats. The question is if everybody sticks to the agreement in the end. I think now it's up to the Greek government to deliver.